Welcome to Desert Just Planning. If you've never been here before, I'm glad you found me and I found you. Let's stick together through this planning journey of ours. And if you have been here before, thank you for coming back and supporting my channel. I really appreciate that, you guys. And what we are going to set up today is the second week in my main section of my planner. And I'm using all my stash. So this is a back in the day. I think they still have it. I'm not really sure. It's the Undated extension pack. This is the extension pack with the Mickey and Minnie on it. So, here she is. And I use the dates and holidays to redate everything. This starts with a Monday start, so I like that. So I'm going to leave it that way. And then I just have already pulled this out because I've been using it and it's easier than fighting with that page. So we are just going to throw my 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up here at the top. So school is about to start up in this world. So I remember when school started, like at the end of August and like the beginning of September. Like, what happened? Like, did we get dumber and we had to go to school longer? I don't know. Like, I don't know. But I'm not going to talk about all that on this channel. So there's that. I'm just going to slide that under so it's not so confusing. So I got my memory keeping. Bam. There's that book. All right. So what I've been using is all the essentials. This one right here that I've had because I've never used it. And I thought, but then I did make a purchase. So this isn't a stash, but it is a stash because now it's a stash because it just entered my stash. But I seen this and it scripts. So I was like, let's just use it. Let's just, I like it. No, I haven't flipped through it, so I have no idea what's in here. But when I was looking at the back, because this is pretty much what tells me I want to buy it or not, there were some things on here, and because this is the main section of my planner, it just makes sense, just like the essentials. Like, everything that we do, mom life makes sense in this section of my planner, so that's why I was like, huh. But it's kind of like, I think it's kind of cool, but I need more writing on this in this section than I do decorativeness. So, oh, that would have been great for last week. But it's kind of color coded, isn't it? It would have been great for. Ooh, it has boxes. Look, you got that like habits and notes. That'd be good for like the monthly saving for a rainy day. So now you got bills, you got workout, you got, yeah, look, and more boxes. Oh my gosh, and more boxes. And then like the little icon thingies. Okay, so oof, look at that. These are mainly for the monthly. That would have been great for the monthly. Should have ran across this before. Well, I grabbed this one first. That's why. All right. So do all the things. And we're going to just use this one. And we're going to go right over the Mickey and Minnie. Just right over them. And that's crooked as all get out. So let's pray we can get that up. This is when everything likes to curl. Boop, there it goes. All right, so let's try this again. Maybe we should line it up with a line. I was trying to evenly go in between the two, but yeah, that's not going to happen. So let's do that. All right. So now that we have gold on here, we're going to stick with that. And so this will be the checklist. And then I'm just going to throw a little bit of decorative on here using the black. See, is there another black one? Yep, but it doesn't have gold in it. And those don't have gold in it. I just need one more black one. Come on, guys. Maybe that's the black that I use. My dogs are barking outside and the sun's not even up. Okay, so we do have one. And we'll just do this one even though there's no gold. Just to keep it. Okay. So then I am going to grab these little bad boys. And I'm just going to throw it over that reminder and important. I'm going to throw these for like special times or something that need to happen throughout the day. I'm going to have them on there. It may not make sense now, but trust me, it should make sense on a different day. All right. We're going to put, after I lose my voice, and do all the things. Let's just do this. Today. 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 And we're going to celebrate. All right. So there's that one. And I think I want to leave all the stuff that goes with what. Let's see. Like all of this, I want to leave it together the way that it's already in there. That way, whenever I do a setup, I can just use all the stickers together. Let's see. To buy, grocery list, day off, payday. I can do the payday one on Thursday since it's matchy. And then we'll leave that. Not really anything due during them. Feed the piggy bank. Weekend getaway, not doing that. Sunshine on my mind, vacation vibes, water the plants, and work out. So, should I put the workout one on here? Dinner plans, that goes into the home section. And workout goes into the workout section. So, water and the plants also go in the home section. So, this is like, that's it. That's it. Super simple. The most color I have is like this thing, and it should be black as well, to be honest. I should have found one that was black. So this is the Happy Plans. This is a new one, and then I use the Happy Memory Keeping to set up this layout. I did not use any of the essential plans, so we're just going to pull that one out of view. So here it is, these two. They have set up my second week in my main section of my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me set this up, and I hope you were inspired to set up your planner as well. I hope you come back and watch how I set up my week 3. It is all over the place because I am pulling my stash. You can go to the HP Stash Challenge over on Instagram, hosted and created by Creatively Lisa Marie. Also here on YouTube as well as Instagram and most social sites. So this is what I am using currently for my HP Stash Challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back to see me next time. Later.